Hello guys and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is my first video in about a month and we are unboxing this absolute unit. Let's see if I can get it even on frame. Let's see. Um it's the Okita Souji altar, or also known as Magic Altar from Fate's Grand Order. This box is huge, and I did not expect it to be this big. So without further ado, we're gonna open the box. I already cut the tape. So all we need to do open this goddamn box. And here she is. Alright. Good box. I'm gonna take her out of the plastic and put her in the desk. This box is kinda hard to hold and film. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, we do not have Mr. Trusty old box cutter, so we're gonna come back with him. And we're back with the box cutter, so we can actually get the tape out. I got the tape here. Here as well. Here as well. Whoops. And I think that should be most of the tape. Okay. Whoops. Gonna get a piece out. Pop this plastic off. Pop finger. Then just these. Oh my gosh. Did not cut on this corner. Well, no wonder. There we go. Nor did I cut on the other corner. There you go. Should be much easier now. Oh my god, this is big. So let's do, yeah, I forgot. Oh. You know how scissors to cut this, I believe. Pain in the ass. Oh, let me figure this out first. We're back and we finally got that off. Confusing a lot of things. Did not cut the tape here as well. Very blind today. Storage. Pop here. Oh my god. On this side as well. Okay. Let me fix this as well. And we're back after struggling for like 10 minutes with staples on one of these. I don't know why. I don't think it's manufactured, but they tie it in a knot. So if you don't have pliers, it's a pain in the ass to get out. And now I can get this off. Okay. That here. First thing we notice. Ooh, this sword is kind of flimsy. That'll be more solid, but I think if it's more solid, it's more prone to breaking. Okay. It's a little bendable. so we don't want to break that. And okay, let's get the main. Base. Let's move these this side. Figure itself. And whatever this is. Oh, this is the cape. Okay. I don't want to deal with it right now. So covered in plastic is Okita herself. Oh my god, they overprotected this. I think there's too much pieces that can break quite easily. Yeah, the hair, I mean not the hair, these are basically cloths. But yeah, I think they are prone to breaking. I think the design is not very smart, at least. Close her. Okay. Try to get this off. Is it cut? Okay. Okay, get all this plastic off. Pain in the ass. How did they sneak it in there? There we go. This will last piece of. I don't want to bend the arm too much. It's a pain in the ass. Oh, the arm's movable. Looks like this is removable. Okay, that's why. Get all the plastic out of there. No wonder. Like, how the heck did they get this in? Answer. Neck. I don't want to break the other. Come on. It's a hassle to handle. Wonder if the head's removable. That's why I don't want to test though. What the heck happened? No. Hold up. Let me just. Alright. Sorry. Something came up. I just had to deal with it for a bit. This neck portion is kind of annoying to deal with. And is. Okay. Especially because the hair also. Okay. And all these parts, pain in the ass to get out. I'm starting to think it might be removable. The head. removing this actual thing is actually harder than probably assembling some figures. Oh my god. Let me check if it's removable. Found out the head is indeed removable, so that's why the plastic was kind of hard to get out. We're gonna stick it back in. That's right. Okay, let's get that off. Okay, we can actually get her on the base now. Got instructions. Oh my god, maybe I should look at the instructions. Oh, this plastic is so annoying to deal with. Trash all of these. Which leg? I think it's this way. Just the shape? I can't tell. I see. I see what he did. Very smart. But the hands are still kind of too small, even though it is adjustable. Oh yeah. What if we try through here? I don't wanna break the sword, to be honest. I know we can remove the hand. Let's try to put it in first and attach the hand. Is that even gonna fit? I need to use some, let's see. This way? Or does it go this way? In one way only, okay. So we have to do it this way. Let's see if this fits. Maybe. So scared. This figure is a pain in the butt to assemble. Yeah, I think you have to loosen the hand a bit. It's a pain in the butt to assemble. So I have to double check which side it's right. Oh no. Is that not the right side? It is definitely the right side. Okay. Let's try to get it on now. Should be easier, but nonetheless, it's kind of a pain. Oh my god, I have to look at the instructions then. And we're back. That was very annoying. Actually, one of the most annoying processes. We attached it wrong. Oh my god, we attached it the wrong way. This is one of the most annoying figures to assemble. The hand doesn't really fit. I have to try, and then there's a bunch of paint transfer from the force. So, I don't know. See instructions for the other reattaching the hand. Okay. Awesome. So the hand goes in this way. This way, this way. So we have to attach it this way. Okay. There we go. But the sword is one of the most annoying things I have to assemble in a long time. I don't want to break this either. Push it in. There's another peg here. So, yeah. It's very annoying to say the least. Oh. I have to get whatever this is. There's the knife. Almost got myself back in activities. Oh, this is her hair. Oh, it's not her cape, it's another piece of her hair. I think this should come with a support rod or something, I don't remember. Maybe support rods right here? Because this is not gonna... This is not gonna... Let me see, we have a support rod. Oh yeah, but I don't know where the support rod is. I missed it somewhere. Box again. I think we should have a support rod. Box. On. It's a support rod. No support rod? Okay. Ooh. Small one though. Very detailed figure, but pain in the ass to deal with. So the instruction says, let me see, support rod. Where's the picture of the support rod? Okay. Okay, where's the support rod? Here first. Oh, it's in the back? Oh, I see it. There's a hole in the back. Oh. Oh, I almost broke the sword there. Very dusty. Okay. I need to put it somewhere else where it doesn't actually, you know, collect dust. How am I supposed to get the support rod in with her dress? Dress is a little flexible, but I don't trust it. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh my god. Pain in the butt assembly. Ah, it goes through in deeper. But we have to move this. Oh yeah. Very nice figure, but not. I don't think it fucking gonna break. Very nice figure, but very hard to assemble. Okay. Support rod in first, I believe. Should have done that first. Maybe it's to support her dress. Not to support the actual other parts. Or the hair. Yeah, support her dress, I think. Oh, we're getting dust on this already. Holy, don't break. How the fuck? You tell me I need to get the hair in before the hand. Oh fuck, maybe you're right. Oh, that looks okay. Unless, I don't know. I don't want to try this, but... And, okay, hair in beforehand. I presume. It's fine. I'm just curious, things I have to do. There you go. That should be it. Holy cow. Holy cow, is this harder than it should have been. And she's heavy. Holy crap, is she heavy. A very cheap figure, surprisingly. I got it for like 120, 130. But detail is insane. Some parts are a little the design maybe not the best, too flimsy, and then I don't know what's gonna happen to hair over time, how it's gonna stay up. So right now, very good, hard assembly, but cheap and actually very worth it figure for if you're looking for value. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.